Welcome to MySchool training. In this module, we'll be looking at a student profile and the data recorded within. To access a student, use the Super Search option by entering the first few letters of the student name. Or if you wish to add a new student, then use the plus icon and select Student from the list. In this example, we will go to the Administer menu and select Classes and Students. This opens a list of classes within your school. These can be filtered by school level and class level. Open the class by clicking on it. To find the students, open the Participants tab and select a student from the list. You can see that the student profile is organized into tabs with their name, class and photo in the header. Let's edit the profile to look at the different fields and their options. The first tab, Particulars, holds the personal details and contains the mandatory fields of name, surname, gender, date of birth and ID number. In the Contact tab, all details related to the student and the parent's contact details can be viewed. If the students are to have access to the portal, then they must have a valid email address entered here. Please note that we suggest entering addresses and telephone numbers on the guardian's records. These details can be shared by selecting the household information from the drop-down menu. If the students have access to a telephone, then this can be entered in this section. The Health tab holds information relating to doctors and dentist details, medical alerts and events. To gather information from guardians, why not send a questionnaire request in this? Should the student have any legal notices that need to be attached to their profile, then these can be entered on the Legal tab. The comments can be restricted depending on security access. In the Enrollment tab, users can access the student's current and past classes and courses. If your school operates within a district, then you can record student schools in this tab. If they leave your school, then you can enter the date and reason here. The student's current timetable can be viewed from their profile. Click on a period to open the options available to administrators. Other users may not have these options set. The Notes section allows users to enter data according to your school's internal policy. The Discipline tab contains information regarding attendance and disciplinary events, if these models are used within your school. The Security tab shows if the user has an active account, sets whether SSO is required or not, and it also lists the groups to which the user is attached. In the case of students, this will be restricted to distribution groups only. If a school bus system is in place and managed via the bus management function, admins can enter the buses taken by the students on a daily basis. If you wish to upload files to the students' profiles, then go to the Files tab. There is a file limit per upload, and these documents are not shared with the student user.